guys, what I'm going to show you right now is how to get followers on TikTok, okay? So open up TikTok, and what you want to do is actually search for big names. So let's type in Addison Rae, okay? She's one of the most famous TikTokers. Then you're going to follow her account. Now, once you followed her account, it's going to show up on there. So when people search, they'll see that you're following. Type in another famous person. Let's type David Beckham, okay? If you click on David Beckham's account, then press follow, it's actually going to come up with suggested accounts. So follow all the ones with blue tick, okay? So you got Ellie Goulding here, follow her, go through her until you find a blue tick, and then click the follow button. Then I'm going to show you the second part of how you get these to follow. So then go back to your main page and click on your following. You'll see it's gone up there. Now what you want to do is unfollow everyone that you just, and because of the good TikTok algorithm, all you got to do is keep following and unfollowing, as you can see here. So just go back through, refresh, follow, refresh again, unfollow them. Okay, get a big list and do that every time, and you'll see your followers go up and up and up. You can see how many followers I've got here. If you want to know more how-to videos, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the comment, and keep tuning in.